Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to join all new Globe Rewards to earn points program. So ano ba ang ibig sabihin nito? So Globe Rewards is the loyalty program open to all customers wherein they earn points based on their spend and can be used to redeem vouchers for life essentials, food and shopping, health, gaming, and entertainment. So kung bakit kailangan mong mag-join dito sa program nila para magka-earn ka ng points every time na mag-purchase ka ng load or bills payment in Globe One app. So ganoon po kaganda yung kanilang programs. So ang next step, so kapag wala ka pang Globe One app, so kailangan mo lang i-download dito sa Play Store. So punta ka lang sa Play Store and then search mo lang dito yung Globe One app, and then kailangan mo lang install or download, and then i-register mo lang yung Globe number mo dito. So once na-register mo na siya, and then back lang tayo at kailangan mo lang pumunta dito sa Globe One applications, and then click lang natin yan. And makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating account, okay? So kung paano ba tayo mag-join sa kanilang program, so dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung home, shop, essentials, and then yung rewards, and then next yung profile. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung rewards, so click mo lang yan. And then ganito na yung makikita mo na join the all new Globe Rewards programs. Okay, so earn, redeem, and enjoy your points exclusively on Globe One. So ang kanilang features ay free membership for all, more ways to earn points, bigger and better rewards catalog, access to freebies and surprises. So ang next, kailangan mo lang i-click tong join now. So tap mo lang yan. And then start earning points with the new Globe Rewards. Ito yung ating mobile number na Globe. And then click mo lang dito yung enroll now. Ayan, so your account can now start earning points. Alright, so napakasimple lang talaga mga kaibigan. And then, pwede nating tignan yung kanilang C Rewards catalog. So, i-click mo lang ito. And then, ito na siya mga kaibigan. So, makikita mo dito yung reward points mo kapag may earning ka na. And then, other features, nandito siya. Pag gusto mong purchase ng unlimited calls, 1 GB, and maraming mga features nila dito mga kaibigan na pwede nating ma-avail. Alright, sa gamit lang ng ating points. Okay? So, ganun lang po kasimple kung paano mag-join sa Globe Rewards program, and hope na nasundan nyo ang step-by-step tutorial ko. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.